Do I look like her yet? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Wendu Isaac and I'm here trying to follow the YouTube trend. I tried following Blank's makeup tutorial and today I'm going to be following Itsmyrayeraye. Why did I choose to follow her? Because I love her. I love her tutorials. Watching her tutorials helped me improve as a makeup artist and just in makeup in general, and also God told me to follow her, so you know. Also, disclaimer, most of the products that she has, I don't have them because I'm not as rich as I want to be in life yet, so I don't have the money to buy all the makeup products that she has. So I'm just going to be using what I have to achieve what she achieved. Okay, so she's starting with her foundation, and I'm going to be using my Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. Oh, I didn't catch her moisturizing her face. Oh. I hate not moisturizing my face before a foundation. Hold on. Okay. She's already in concealer and I'm still blending my foundation. My Colourpop concealer in deep golden. And she also puts it in her smile line. I don't have smile lines, but I'm just going to follow what she did. Okay. Then she goes into blend. Well, she switched to brushes without telling me. Okay, she went in with a lighter concealer. So I used the Maybelline, I think this is Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the color 25. So I'm using. Okay, she's going in with her powder, Patrick Star and MAC collaboration powder, which I clearly don't have. So I'm going to be using an alternative. The CoverGirl powder is like very white, but the one she's using is also white. So hopefully I don't look like a masquerade. It happens to me too. Okay, so she's using a brow pencil now for her brows. So I'm going to be using this brow pencil from Hegai Esther. It's a Nigerian brand. Ooh. She's using an eyebrow setting gel, the e.l.f. one, and I'm using the Blot Beauty Cosmetics. It's also a brand from Nigeria. And yeah, this is one of the reasons why I like her. She taught me that you could slay your makeup with affordable products. Like, I used to think because I didn't have like good products, my makeup wasn't really slaying, but she's a real OG. You can slay it with cheap products too, okay? So, I'm just going over my brows. Okay, unfortunately I don't have that palette. I would love to have that palette. It's such a nice palette, but I do not have it. So I'm gonna have to use a palette that has most of the colors, or like just mixed palettes. Okay, so basically she's contouring her face. I'm going to go in with my Bhcosmetics Studio Pro highlight and contour palette. This color and this color to contour. Does she mind with her brush too? Hold on. She's just sweeping out the powder. Okay. Let's just go with it because right now I'm not understanding what's happening. Okay. Ooh, girl! Did she just use her blush to contour her nose? Okay. I'm going to be very strategic about the color I choose for my blush. Okay? Because I don't want to look pink on my nose. So, how strategic can you be though? That's the real question. How? Okay, yeah. So I'm going in with the Saharan Blush Palette Volume 2. And I'm going to use this color, Neo. Yeah, I like this color. And then she went in with that same color to contour her nose, which is very confusing to me, but do it. This is so long. Oh my god. So she's using an eyeshadow as her highlight. Nubian 1 palette. This.
And just using that as a highlighter instead of my other highlighters, and it's really pretty because it's more of a cool tone highlight, I guess, where mine are more on the warmer side. So if you do have my palette and you feel like, oh, you know, some of the highlighters might be too warm for you, more pale, you can definitely use Allison as a highlight.
Oh, she started her eyeshadow already? Girl, I'm still here struggling with this eyeshadow highlight thing. Okay, so if you have an eyeshadow palette that has like a shimmery color, you can definitely use that as a highlight. Why buy highlights when you can get it in your eyeshadow palette? You get it? You get it? Yes, you do. Okay, do I look glowed up enough? I mean, I'm wearing eyeshadow on my face. Better do.
Might be too warm for you, maybe you're more pale, you can definitely use Allison as a highlight. It actually works really well if you mix it with the highlighters as well, it will cool it down. So now I'm going to take Mousse and I'm going to put that in the crease as my transition color, and I'm also going to use Control Freak as well in the crease.
Okay, you gotta calm down. Like, you have to.
Transition color, but this makes it a bit more warm since Mousse is a little on the cool tone. Now I'm going to go in with Fairy Tale and apply that all over my lid.
What does Fairy Tale look like?
And I'm going to pat the shadow in.
Okay, from what I see, Fairy Tale looks like this one, which is what I'm going to use.
Also, rub it around my lid in circles just to make sure it is nicely blended out.
Ooh,
and then
so
shimmer comes to life.
She's rubbing it around
with Tiffany, which is one of my favorite colors.
Okay, calm down. Calm down, sis. Still here. So she rolled around. Ah! I did too much. Oh my goodness. Who sent me on this adventure? This is such a pretty color though. Like, everything from Juvia's face is a hit. Take it from me. She goes in with like a pinky one, which I'm going to be going into, hopefully it's the same kind of color. This is like a bundle of different Colourpop symbol eyeshadows, so hopefully it works.
Rosy gold. I'm going to put that on the outer corner because I still want Fairy Tale to be shown in the inner corner.
She's putting on the outer corner.
I'm going to go back with the transition colors I use. Whatever was left on my work.
Calm down, sis. I'm still here. She's using rose gold color here. This is not even coming out, so it's rose gold anything. Colourpop, what's good? I can't see anything. Okay, I can't see anything. I'm leaving that. And I'm using this called Shola from the Juvia's Saharan Blush 2 palette. I told you everything from Juvia's face is a hit, so don't disappoint me. Oh, she's pretty. She is pretty. This is rose gold. This is rose gold that they said you should use. This is it. Huh? Those ones are just trying to disappoint themselves there. So she's just putting it at the outside corners. Okay. Ooh, I like that. And she goes back in with her transition colors. She doesn't put any more, just deposit whatever she has left.
And just blend any harsh lines out. And now I'm going to take those same transition colors again and use them on my lower lash.
What next?
First, I apply Mousse on the lower lash line and then Control Freak. And now I'm taking Allison again to put in the inner corner as well as Mousse.
Okay. She just used like 3 different colors in her. I don't know what to use. Okay, so she used the shade that she used for her highlights, and she used another. She did like a concussion, which I'm going to try and do. I'm going to go in with this one that I used to highlight first. This one here. I'm going with that first.
Light just to brighten up my tear up.
Just roll up. Okay. Okay. This color, and this color from the Saharan blush palettes. Okay, let's see how that goes. Ooh, yes. Glow, sis.
Glitter. I'm going to be using the Stila glitter just to give it even more.
Okay, so she's using Stila glitter. I do not have that, but I have the Colourpop one. I'm using this pinky one. It's called Moonlit. And she's using it just the outer corners.
I'm going to pat that in with my finger. I think with this glitter you can just apply it with the wand. It comes out better, but I didn't want it to be too glittery and completely cover the shadow because, you know, I'm trying to let mine.
Now she's fixing her lashes. Did she use eyeliner?
I cannot remember the style name right off the top of my head.
When did she use eyeliner?
I got you.
So mascara, which is the Maybelline Colossal Big Shot Mascara. I'm just going to use that.
This mascara is perfect for falsies because it gets right to the base and it distributes so much.
I'm just using this lip liner. It's not the same color, but I don't have that color.
And I'm just going to shade it a bit and then apply this liquid lipstick on my lips. This pretty rosy.
Nyx Lingerie lipstick in Exotic. And that over. Such a nice color. I'm using this because it's white. Hers is white. I obviously don't know or have the product she's using. So this is also white. It's the Nuban Beauty Seal It Spray. It's a Nigerian brand, so let's go. Okay, she went back with lip gloss. So I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. I look close, what should I say? I don't know. I'm just gonna go with I like the makeup. I like how it came out. Thanks for watching my video. This is the end of the video. This is how the look came out. See you in my next video. Bye.